Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is my lecture number 2nd on the same topic adverbs for class 8th. So I have already told you that adverb is the word which modifies verb adjectives adverbs and prepositions. So adverb is the word which modifies verb, adjectives, adverbs and prepositions, not nouns and pronouns. So because nouns and pronouns, when these are modified, those words are called adjectives. These are adverbs. So when we talk of a verb, for example, he runs fast. And mostly, and it is a correct use that after verbs we use adjectives, adverbs. So run is the verb and it is modified by fast. कोई दौड़ता है लेकिन तेज दौड़ता है. So it is run is modified by the fast. So we can say it is the adverb. So something added to this verb. Some additional information about this one. So we can say this is adverb. This is verb. The run is modified by this. We can say this is adverb. Example second. She speaks loudly. She speaks loudly. Speak is the verb and is modified by loudly, the manner of speaking, the manner of running. So we can say this is when the verb is modified, when the verb is modified by the adverbs or these fast, loudly, etc. These are called adverbs. So for example second, if we talk about adjectives, we are talking about, I have given you two examples of the verb. How is verb modified by this adjective, adverbs, fast and loudly. And now we talk of these adjectives and adverbs. You know that tall is the adjective word. Tall. She is very tall. She is very tall. So tall is the adjective. When it is modified by this adverb, so we can say that it modifies also adjective. Adverb also modifies an adjective. And tall is adjective and it is modified very. This is adverb and this is adjective. Very tall. It is too easy. Too is the example of adverb and easy is the adjective. So there are so many examples. Adverb is simply now which modifies verb in these examples. Runs fast, speaks loudly. Adjective it modifies also adjectives, like very tall. Tall is adjective. Easy, too easy, like that. So there is adverb. Adverb also modifies adverb. It gives information about another adverb, like this. She is very, very tall. We know very tall, it is an adverb, and this is another adverb. So one adverb is modified by another adverb. That is my example here. Adverb modifies adverb. Adverb modifies adverb. She is very, very tall. She is very, very tall. The boy is too intelligent. She is very, very tall, and we are talking about boy runs. Yeah, boy is running very fast. Boy runs very fast. You know that very is adjective, fast is another adjective. So one adjective is modified by another adjective. It is like this. Adverb is modified by another adverb. This adverb modifies the verb in these two examples. Adverb modifies adjective in these two examples, and adverb modifies adverb in these two examples. So simply, if in today's lesson, you should remember adverb is the word which modifies verb, adjective, adverb, and prepositions, not nouns and pronouns. So these are the examples which I already given, and it is all about today. That is all.